Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as metamorphosis. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the series of gradual changes that occur during the development of an organism is best described as dash A. Metamorphosis, B. Chemosynthesis, C. Adaptation, D. Evolution. In this question, the correct answer is A. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis deals with the series of gradual changes that occur during the development of an organism. It ensures that an organism develops very well. This type of changes is mainly observed in lower organisms such as insects. The next question says, the type of metamorphosis represented above is called dash A. Complete metamorphosis, B. Incomplete metamorphosis, C. Neutral metamorphosis, D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Complete metamorphosis. There are two main types of metamorphosis. We have the complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. In complete metamorphosis, the organism or the change will start from the egg. The egg will hatch and an immature stage known as larva will be produced. The larva will undergo some development to produce another immature stage known as pupa. The pupa will continue to undergo development until an adult organism is formed. So a type of metamorphosis that involves these four stages before the organism is fully developed is what we call complete metamorphosis. So in this complete metamorphosis, egg, larva, pupa, adult are different stages of these developments, which we call complete metamorphosis. The next question says, the following are correct about incomplete metamorphosis except dash A. The egg hatches into the nymph. B. The nymph resembles the adult. C. There is no pupal stage. D. The egg hatches into lymph. In this question, the correct answer is D. The egg hatches into lymph. In incomplete metamorphosis, the egg hatches into a juvenile stage known as the nymph, and the nymph resembles the adult. In this type of metamorphosis known as incomplete metamorphosis, there is no pupal stage of development. The next question says, the following insects undergo complete metamorphosis except dash A. Housefly, B. Butterfly, C. Mosquito, D. Cockroach. In this question, the correct answer is D. Cockroach. There are many insects that undergo complete metamorphosis. These insects include housefly, butterfly, mosquitoes, etc. The next question says, the hormones that coordinate molting in insects are called dash A. Ecdysones, B. Adrenaline, C. Lactase, D. Sucrase. In this question, the correct answer is ecdysones. These hormones known as ecdysones are hormones that coordinate molting in insects. The more the level of these hormones in insects, the more the molting. The lesser the level of these hormones in insects, the lesser the molting. The next question says, which of the following insects is both beneficial and harmful to plants? A. Butterfly. B. Mosquito. C. Housefly. D. Cockroach. In this question, the correct answer is A. Butterfly. Butterfly is an example of an insect that undergoes complete metamorphosis, and studies have shown that the larval stage of this butterfly called caterpillar destroy a lot of plants. They feed on the leaves of plants, and when they feed on the leaves of plants, they will destroy that plant. But this butterfly is a beneficial insect because it pollinates flowers of plants. So the immature stage of this butterfly, known as caterpillar, is harmful to plants, but the adult stage, known as butterfly, is beneficial to plants because it helps in pollination. So this insect is both beneficial and harmful to plants. The next question says, complete metamorphosis ensures that the juvenile and adult forms of insects live in different habitats and feed on different types of food, thereby reducing dash for space and food. A. Adaptation. B. Competition. C. Evolution. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. Competition. So, when insects undergo complete metamorphosis, their juvenile and adult forms of them live in different habitats, and as they live in different habitats, they feed on different types of food. These help to reduce competition for space and food. And that's one of the advantages, or that's one of the differences between complete metamorphosis and incomplete metamorphosis. The next question says, the larval stage of butterfly is a dash. A. Herbivore. B. Carnivore. C. Scavenger. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Herbivore. The larval stage of butterfly is called caterpillar, and this caterpillar feeds on the leaves of plants, so it's a herbivorous organism. So any organism that feeds on plants is called a herbivore. The next question says, the pupa stage of butterfly is called dash. A. Chrysalis. B. Dragonfly. C. Maggots. D. None of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. Chrysalis. So, this chrysalis is the pupa stage of butterfly during metamorphosis. The next question says, the structure used by an insect to fill the environment is called dash. A. Compound eye. B. Thorax. C. Antenna. D. Abdomen. In this question, the correct answer is C. Antenna. This antenna is a structure in insects that it uses to fill the environment. This antenna contains some cells that are sensitive to chemicals, that are sensitive to change in temperature and other things in the environment. So they use this antenna to detect different chemical substances. They use this antenna to become or to remain sensitive in their environment. The next question says, when housefly undergoes complete metamorphosis, its larval stage is called dash A. Hibiscus, B. maggot, C. Regla, D. none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is B. maggot. This maggot is the larval stage of housefly when it undergoes metamorphosis. The next question says, the simple eyes of houseflies are called dash A. ocelli, B. imago, C. thorax, D. abdomen. In this question, the correct answer is A. ocelli. These ocelli are the simple eyes found in houseflies. They are called simple eyes because the organisms use them to see the structure or the modifications of these eyes or the arrangement of these eyes in their system are not that complex compared to the compound eyes they possess also. The next question says, the modified hind wings in insects for balance during flight are called dash A. halteres, B. thorax, C. abdomen, D. none of the above. In this question, the correct answer is A. halteres. These halteres are the modified hind wings in insects that they use or that play great role in the area of balance during flights. The next question says, the following undergo incomplete metamorphosis except dash A. grasshopper, B. butterfly, C. dragonfly, D. cockroach. In this question, the correct answer is B. butterfly. So there are many examples of insects that undergo incomplete metamorphosis. These insects include the grasshopper, dragonfly, cockroach, and other insects. If this is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics that we have treated in many of our videos. In this channel, we make educational videos in biology.